Students, today we are going to see about the topic handoff. As we have seen in previous classes, we have discussed about the cellular networks. In cellular network, the handoff is an important thing which is used to transfer the ongoing calls, that is the communication from one place to another. Exactly, we can say one cell into another. Normally, the handoff is a process which tells about changing of or transferring the ongoing calls from one place, that is one cell, into the another cell without interference between the communication between the two users. We can classify the handoff into two types, that is soft handoff and hard handoff. In this, first we can discuss about soft handoff. The soft handoff deals with the transferring of ongoing calls. While you are transferring the communication between one cell into the another cell, there will not be any interruption. The call will not be terminated. That we can say as the soft handoff. Without the call termination, the communication or user from this cell to move from this cell to the another cell, there will not be any termination of the call communication. That is called as soft handoff. Coming to the hard handoff, while we are moving from one cell into the another, we have to shift from the control of one base station into another base station. At that time, the call will be terminated and we have to start from the initial process. That is called as hard handoff. In this process, that is the changing of ongoing call from one cell into the another cell. Consider this as a tower of this base station, and this belongs to this cell. Consider the user A is here. At this point, the power level will be very low. If there will be mobility, means the user A moves from this cell to this cell for acquiring more power. At that time, if there is any termination, the call gets terminated, means that is called as hard handoff, and the call will be processed from the first. If without terminating the call, if user A moves from this cell to this cell, means that is called as soft handoff. Okay, let's see about the next topic.